Alright, I needed to fix my garbage disposal, so just thought I'd help the next person out. First, you want to unplug it, and then you grab your wrench and you pop it up in the bottom right, directly in the center. You'll see it, and it should be able to freely spin. You'll notice if it's jammed in there, it won't spin, of course. And if that's not your problem, then and right there is the reset button. You just press it. You should hear a click noise of some sort. And if that's not your problem, and right there you just unscrew that screw. You twist that piece off, and that twists off also. It's all very easy. And be prepared for some liquid. I didn't know all that was gonna spill out right away. I should have. I seen it was clogged. And we found the problem. And you could do this with household items such as scissors. Look down in there. Got some pasta. Alright. Now you just very easy twist that off. Twist that one off. Pops out. What a wonderful sight. And then clean your sink.